Hey, what is going on, guys? It's KS here, and I'm back again with another Roblox scripting tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing how to set up and use my module that I've just released to the public. This is a Discord API module. This allows you to easily create and send messages through Discord webhooks on the Roblox platform. So in order to set this up, you're going to want to either take the model here, linked on the GitHub page, which I'll link in the description, and put this like somewhere, like in your modules folder or workspace. You're going to want to have it, just like in server storage, somewhere that you can access it and, reference it in the script. Or you can copy the asset ID, which is what I'm going to do here. It's best to copy the asset ID because I will constantly update this model. That way, it's referencing the latest version of the model. This is in the very early stages of this module, so it's not perfect. You can always, report bugs, give me suggestions on what you want to have in the module. It's completely open source and everything. You can view all the code here on the GitHub page and everything. So yeah, so once you have the asset ID or the model placed wherever you want inside of Roblox Studio, you're going to want to make sure your place is published to Roblox, obviously, and you're going to want to go to the security settings inside of the game settings and make sure allow HTTP requests is on. This is crucial because in order for HTTP service to work, this has to be activated. So once that's been turned on, you can save that. And inside server script service or wherever your script is going to be, I like to keep all my stuff in all my server side of stuff inside server script service, but that's just me. And you're going to want to create a script. So this is where we're going to load in the module. So I'm going to go local discord is equal to require the asset ID. And all the documentation is here on the GitHub page in the README. I'm still working on perfecting this page. It's not completely done, but it does have all of the major stuff in here covered. It has examples. It has examples as in like showing the line of code used for the methods. So you got the embed class and all that. So or constructor. So once you've loaded in the Discord module, you're going to want to set up a webhook. In case you don't know how to set up a webhook, let me go ahead and go into Discord here, and let me open up create a new server here. Yeah, let's go ahead and create a new server. Let me just go ahead and create that real quick. I should have done this before the video, but I'm just gonna call this tutorial, and there we go, created the server. All right, so here is the server. What you'll do is you'll go to your Discord server that you want to use for this, and go to server settings, and it's going to be under integrations and webhooks. So you, since I've never created a webhook here, you're going to want to go ahead and just press create webhook. I'm just going to keep the name as is, have it posted to general chat since it's the only channel in here. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy the webhook URL. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and go back into Roblox Studio and type in the line of code, call local webhook. You can call this whatever you want. It's equal to discord.webhook. This is actually covered on the documentation page. You want to put in the URL inside as a parameter. So on the GitHub page here, all the way at the bottom, webhook. This is used to create a new Discord webhook that can be used to post to your Discord server. It requires you to provide the webhook URL because you can't technically create a new webhook in your Discord server through Roblox. So yeah, the webhook class here has a method called send. This is what we'll use to send a message. It actually takes in a message object, which contains all of the information required to for Discord to post a message. So yeah. All right. So once you've got this loaded in, you're gonna want to create a new message. So I'm gonna go local message is equal to discord.message. And what this will do is he'll create a new message object, and this is what you can use to you can customize this with stuff up here, just below here, right here. Message. The message you can use is add embeds. You can add multiple of them. You can add up to 10 embeds to a message. Set the avatar URL. This is the bot's avatar. You can set the main message, so the content, and then the username of the bot. First, I'm going to set the username of the bot. So I'm going to do message.set username. And I'm just going to give it a nice little name here. I'm just going to name him, I don't know. What his name is? Sam. How's that? We'll just name it Sam. Our bot's name will be Sam. Alright. I'm going to set a URL. So, set avatar URL. So this takes in a parameter called URL. It basically wants the string URL of the image that you want to use for the avatar. You can use like the user thumbnail using player get user thumbnail from user ID or whatever whatever the function is called. You can use that if you want to use the player's like snapshot of their avatar. I'm personally gonna use it's gonna like find the Roblox studio logo. And we're just gonna go here. We can just go ahead and open not the link, the image. Open image in new tab. We want the .png or .jpeg or whatever it is, and we're gonna paste it inside of as a parameter of the set avatar URL. I don't want to add any content to the message. I mean, you can just do message.set content and put in your own message, but I'm personally not going to do that for this example, but you could. I want to get into embeds because this is where all the juicy stuff is, where all the meat is inside this module, because that's what the main reason why I created this module was to make it easier to set up embeds inside of Discord messages. So I'm going to go local embed is equal to discord.embed. And with this, there is quite a few methods that you can use for the embed constructor. There's add fields, just like embeds. You can there's two different methods you can use. You can add multiple at once using multiple using multiple parameters. There is set author, set color. This one actually I made it to where you can pass in a color 3 value, and it will turn it into the hexadecimal value that Discord can use to colorize the embed. So that's one thing I added support for here. You can set description, the footer, the image, thumbnail, timestamp, a title. You can set a URL. And that's all I have support for as of right now. So I'm going to go over a basic little embed. So I'm just going to do embed dot set title. So I'm going to give it a title. So I'm going to say, I don't know, I'll pass in cool message. I don't know. And we can do the description. So this embed.set description. Description will just take in one parameter, just like title. Like, I don't know, this is a Discord embed. Let's say you want to add the timestamp, so embed.set timestamp. So just pass in a like the current timestamp, so that Discord can display the time. This is basically just like Discord.js. It has a lot of similarities and is kind of based on the Discord.js library. So set timestamp will just give you like an updated time that of the webhook's posting. So yeah. Let's say you want to add some fields. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in between here. So let's go embed.set or add fields, I should say. I'm gonna do add fields because I'm gonna add a few of them. I'm gonna set the name of this one to just gonna put this one like I don't know, what should I call this one? Cool. I'll just name this one cool, and set the value text to hello world. How's that? We'll just do hello world. And then you can drop down. So this one won't be inline, this will just be a regular field. I'm gonna do a couple of inline ones. So I'm gonna do food, and I can just do pizza as the value, and then I'll set true as the last value. And I'll do one more inline. So I'll do it, I don't know, drink. I'll do root beer, because that's my favorite soda. Alright. So this will basically create 3 fields. I believe you can have up to 25. Yeah, 25 fields is the maximum. This adds 3 fields to it. Now I'm going to set an image, so I'm going to use the same image as up here. I'm going to set a thumbnail, so I'm going to do embed. Whoa, what am I doing? That embed.set thumbnail. Oh, there we go. And this will just set the thumbnail. Alright, so I think this should be good enough. We can go ahead and add this to the message. So we can just do message dot add embed. We can just do embed as the parameter. And now we can just do webhook dot send, and then the message. Alright, so this is gonna pass in a Pacific Standard Time timestamp. I haven't quite gotten it to where it'll always send UTC yet. I still need to add that, but in Studio it's gonna send your local time into it. But if you play it in the actual game, it's gonna send the UTC time. So as of right now, it'll always just send the local time, so the timestamp's gonna be a little bit off on Discord. So we go in. It has now sent the message, and as you can see, the bot's name is Sam. The avatar is the Roblox Studio logo. Cool message. This is a Discord embed. Cool. Hello world. And food is pizza, and then drink root beer. today at 1:09 p.m. So this is just the basics of using this module. Like I said, all the documentation is on my GitHub page for this project. I'm going to be constantly updating this page with new features. I'm going to update this module constantly with new features. And like I said, it's best to use the asset ID to get the latest version of this module at all times. Yeah. So hopefully you guys find use for this. I highly suggest you don't use this to log like errors and stuff in your Discord server, because if sending too many requests to Discord, you can get in trouble with Discord for logging that kind of stuff, as it is a this is just a messaging platform. So as of right now, this is all I have. You know, you can log bans, moderation actions of your you know, your moderators on your games. You can use this to you know, send feedback, have players send feedback from your game to your Discord server, and it will post it as like an embed or something. Whatever you find use for this for. Yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. All the links to everything will be down in the description. I will be constantly updating that GitHub page, as I said. I'm always willing to help you if you have any questions down in the comments, or you can join my Discord server and ask me there. And yeah. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.